I am cooking breakfast and recording for YouTube. I said that I was going to record for YouTube more, so here we go. I am making pancakes for my daughter. Let me show you. Okay, we're making pancakes. Let me put you guys up here. That's my little phone holder making all that noise. I use the just add water pancakes, okay? Don't judge me, okay? But I still put an egg in the mix. So when I mix it up, I still put an egg in there and some vanilla extract to make it taste a little homey. So I don't know how many of you guys do that. I have my air fryer going off because I put some bacon in the air fryer. And we're only turning the stove on for the pancakes. Now for the pancakes, I'm using this Happy Face pancake maker that I got from TikTok Shop. And it makes the cutest little pancakes ever. I just put some spray oil on it, and I'm gonna start. You don't have to warm the oven up or the stove up very long for it because they cook really fast. So I'm just stirring up. Let me see if you can see this. Stirring up my pancake mix like so. Okay, let me put you guys back up here. And we're gonna have us some breakfast today. So, hold on, because she has something. Close the door because I can't hear myself talking. Okay, she has her tablet going. I have my phone going. It's just loud, okay? And I'm back on YouTube and I don't want any copyright issues. So here we go. I haven't been on YouTube a lot lately, but I do remember the rules, okay? I remember the rules. So I've been on TikTok this morning and yesterday. So here we are. The ban just lifted, all right, temporarily. And people are back on live. They weren't able to go live yesterday, the first day back. Live was totally taken off, but now live is back on and so many people are live, okay? And I just feel like that speaks volumes about our economy because the app was not gone for even 13 hours, not even a full day. And people could not wait to get back on live to make money. And I think that, I mean, a lot of people wanted to go live to see their friends again, to talk, to say, hey, we're back, you know, the community. Because let me tell you, the community on TikTok is amazing. When I went to the other apps, when TikTok was down, you could clearly see who the TikTok refugees were that came over to the other apps. We were engaging in the comments, especially like Instagram, where I feel people don't really comment in the comment sections unless it's a post that's messy. People were all in the comments this time around, and you could tell they were TikTokers, okay? But yeah, so going back to TikTok, as soon as they were able to go live, people went live immediately and have been on live ever since all morning as if it never went away. And I think that says a lot, a lot. It says so much about our economy and the need for jobs. The need for not only jobs, but good jobs. Jobs that people don't feel like they take away their energy, all of their time, that don't manipulate them for extra services or things outside of their pay grade or pay, requirements. Like it just says a lot about the American economy, how people flocked back to TikTok Live to get that income rolling again. And I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Okay. All right, so I'm going to move you guys over here. I'm getting ready to make the pancakes, and I want to let you guys see me cooking while I do that. I'm back on YouTube, you guys. Isn't this so cool? I said I was going to try to vlog every day. I know that's not easy. It's not easy to do, and it's easier said than done. But I feel like if I was successful on TikTok, and I literally post on TikTok every day, at least once, okay? But most of the time, it's 3 to 4 times a day. And I've been successful over there. I've grown to have 17,000 followers. And it's a good place to be. I've started making income. I've started working with brands. I'm doing all the things that I never thought were possible to do on social media, right? And so I said, why? I've been on YouTube forever. Why can't this be possible for YouTube? And I believe that it is for me and for you. So if you're in the same boat where you've been on YouTube forever and you think you can't monetize, you guys, I think we have to take responsibility. TikTok has shown us that we can post multiple times a day. And if not multiple times a day, it has shown us that we can post consistently at least every day. Okay. At least, right? So, and the posts they don't have to be that long, right? Like I know YouTube has different requirements, right? So over here is not short-term content, it's long-form content. And so I know that has a major effect on how often people post, at least how often I post. And it takes a different type of energy to post over here. And so I get why people don't feel like they can post every day, right? But I'm gonna give it a shot, even if it means coming and vlogging to you guys and just talking to you about whatever. We're just gonna see if the YouTube algorithm pushes my page in this manner, okay? So we're putting, look, let me show you. I'm putting the pancake maker. It's warming up. It has the little happy faces there. And then here's my pancake mix. And we're going to make these pancakes happen. Now, and then I'm about to scramble some eggs. Done. And here is breakfast. Capiche capuche. Okay, so breakfast is done. I'm gonna go in the office and I'm going to eat my portion. Oh Lord. Now I'm in my office and you guys, I'm recording all the time. I'm editing all the time, working all the time. So yeah, my desk is a mess, okay? But I love being in here, even to eat lunch, dinner, and I should eat at the dining room table more often. That's one thing that I want to do more this year, is to get into eating at the dining table more often with the family, instead of us all separating to eat in our own special spots, right? But anywho, and we've got that big dining room table that can fit, what, 8 people? It's crazy, but I'm gonna put this here so I can talk to you guys for a minute. I was washing dishes this morning and noticed that some of my, look, this nail is peeling and one nail right here is peeling. I went and got my nails done probably a week ago. Me and the kid, we went and got our nails done. And it costs $170 for both of us to get our nails done and a pedicure for both, right? Now, have a baby, they said, just have a baby. When I had a baby, everything doubled, okay? Especially the older she gets, everything's doubling. Like, if I have to buy body wash for me, I have to buy body wash for her. If I'm getting my nails done, she's got to get her nails done. If I got to get my hair done, and her hair is long and thick, okay? My hair used to be just the same, okay? So I know it's expensive. And so, but the whole point is, we just got these nails done a week ago and they're already peeling. And the place that I go to, they do a pretty good job. And I drive a good distance to go there just because they do. So I don't know why my nails are peeling, but this is one of the reasons why people are just doing nails at home, okay? Like, and I don't mind doing nails at home. It's these feet. It's these feet that need a professional. I like people to rub on my feet. I like the spa treatment when I get the pedicure. You know, I like when the lady or the man puts the lotion on and they just rub. I close my eyes during that part of the session, okay? I'm eating my pancakes with my fingers instead of my fork because they're so tiny and cute, see? They're so tiny and cute, the little happy, smiley face pancakes. My daughter said the pancake maker, the skillet, was the best thing I ever bought off TikTok. That's how much she enjoys them. And I also think that because they're so small, it's portion control. It's portion control. You got 3 little pancakes like this. That's probably 1 pancake, maybe 1.5. When you go to IHOP, they give you like these huge pancakes, 2 or 3 like stacks. They call them stacks, right? So I love it. Put a little hot sauce on my eggs. Good to go. This morning I didn't do coffee. I'm doing a Diet Coke. I'm sprung on her. I'm sprung on her, okay? We go together real bad. Somebody send help. Police, okay? I am back on YouTube, you guys. Doing a little vlogging. Trying to diversify my social media. Trying not to give TikTok my everything. And we'll see how this goes. So far, so good. I'm trying to get back in the hang of picking up the camera to record and capture my daily routines, okay? So hang in there with me, guys. We'll get this done. I'm gonna eat and I'll be back. Just got through shooting for TikTok Shop, which was really exciting. TikTok Shop is fun to me, you guys. I mainly do it. Well, the purpose for my page with TikTok Shop is, so as you know, I'm a photographer and I often help style my clients, right? One of the biggest things that my clients come to me for is help with styling, right? And they also always want to know, can you refer a makeup artist? Can you refer someone that, does hair? All of these needs for how to look their best on the day of the photo shoot. So I have always been doing that ever since I started photography, which has now been a while. It's been almost 16 years. And so over the years, I have gotten really good at knowing what pieces go well together, what colors go well together, and how to help my clients look their absolute best for their photos. And so TikTok Shop comes around and they have TikTok Shop. And I have been utilizing TikTok Shop to help my clients and people that come to my page on TikTok to learn how to use the clothes in their wardrobe mixed with things that they purchase from TikTok to make a nice outfit, right? And I always tell people, if you don't know how to dress, my number 1 tip on how to put together an outfit is to go to Pinterest and type in whatever piece you have and ask it to give you an outfit idea for that piece. So for example, if you have a pink sweater, I would go to Pinterest and say pink sweater outfit idea, and all of these outfit ideas will pop up to show you how to style this sweater. So that is how I have been styling myself and my clients for a very long time. It works. It is fabulous. And I advise you guys to do the same. So anyway, Valentine's Day is coming up and TikTok Shop has been really having us promote Valentine's Day fashion. And so I've been promoting sweaters with hearts on them. All of the items have been pink, red, purple, greens, very vibrant colors that would fit with the Valentine's Day holiday. And so I just got done filming for TikTok Shop a sweater that really, let me see if I can show you guys the sweater. I'll show it to you. It has been selling really well. And let's see if I can turn you around. Okay. It has been selling really, really well on TikTok Shop. It's so gorgeous. It's this gray and red sweater. The heart is on the chest of the sweater, and then on the sleeve are 3 hearts. And so I've been calling it the wear my heart on my sleeve sweater. But it's really, really cute, and it's been on TikTok shop selling very, very well. And so I've done like 4 videos for it, I believe 4. But also, you know, things like this purple shimmy sweater cardigan. Here's a red one. Here's also another outfit that I've done for TikTok shop. And as you can see, the red skirt, all of these things with these colors, even black and white comes to mind for Valentine's Day, because everybody doesn't want to wear the, you know, reds and the pinks. And so I had even like, you know, some jean options. These jeans have bows on them. They're beautiful, okay? And so let me see if I can show you guys. You see the bow? They are stunning, okay? And so I've just been becoming a fashion girly, you guys. I've been becoming a fashion girly by default. Well, not by default. Like I said, I have been practicing and, you know, being somewhat of a stylist for my clients for a very long time. And it's just now starting to show itself for me personally in other ways. And so I enjoy it. And that's one more thing that I love about TikTok, because TikTok has really brought out other things in me, right? I am a creative naturally, and I wanted to do more. For some reason, you're always aiming to do more. Like, okay, after photography, now what? I take pictures of my clients, now what? I do video, now what? But there's always those passion projects that we want to do. There's always that extra something that we want to pull out of ourselves to be fulfilled in life. And I really think that this has been one of the things that has really made me feel good about what it is that I do. And so just sharing that with you guys. I actually see, this is the thing with YouTube. With YouTube, you have to remember to pull your camera out and record what you're doing. And so I didn't do that, but maybe in this clip I'll insert some of the TikToks that I did today so that you guys can see what I did. All right. Me and the kid are going to now go get something to eat, and we're going to come back. I want to say that I'm wrapping this vlog up, but I don't know. That's another thing. I don't know how long I want my vlogs to go. Now, I see some people vlogging for an entire week and then they just post one vlog a week. But as you guys know, I said that my goal was to try to vlog every day. So I think I might soon be wrapping this up if I'm intending to vlog every day. So you might get like a daily vlog from me. We'll see how this goes. I'm playing around with it. I'm trying to build a new relationship with YouTube. So whatever we do is whatever we do. I'm just glad that I'm back.